Alright, so I don't have my GoPro here with me at work today, so I'm just using my phone. But look what started happening when I got halfway to work here. What the, look at what the, it is only October 14th. I needed 2 more weeks before I put my car in storage, and look at this bullshit. I got halfway to work and the snow started coming down, and it was coming down so hard and it was blowing sideways that it looked like I was going through hyperspace in Star Wars. Alright, there we go. I mean, it looks pretty, and it's not that cold out here. Alright, so there you go. There's today's bullshit alert.